Picture this. It's May 28th, and you're about to sink your teeth into a juicy, perfectly grilled hamburger. But why on this day, you ask? Well, it's National Hamburger Day. Now let's delve into the history. Back in 1885, two brothers, Charles and Frank Menches, sold the first ever hamburger. Originally circus performers, they found their true calling in food concessions, and so the hamburger was born. This day isn't just about the past, though. It's also about indulging in some mouth-watering experiences in the present. And what better way to do that than with Traverse Bay Farms bacon jam? Yes, you heard that right. Bacon jam, made with real bacon. Slather it on your hamburger and taste the magic as the smoky, savory bacon jam melds with the grilled patty. It's a match made in flavor heaven, a celebration of the humble yet iconic hamburger. So on this May 28th, celebrate National Hamburger Day with a delicious twist. Remember, every bite is a tribute to the legacy of the Menches brothers and a celebration of the culinary innovation they sparked. Happy National Hamburger Day.